Chasing the highs, girl, the highs, yeah, the highs. I'm gonna finally get up, cause I'm not giving up on my dream.
Good morning, gorgeous people, and welcome to a brand new video. I've missed you all so much. I'm so excited to finally catch up with you. So it's actually one of my days off today. I'm getting ready, as you can tell. And I actually have my hair down today. And I actually wanted to show you that because of my hair journey is incredibly slow. My hair grows like a snail pace, but it is definitely growing. So I actually use the Meow Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil. I have mentioned this before, but I got asked about it the other day. I also use the hair mask, but it still is a snail's pace of hair growth for me. But I'm super excited for when I next go get my hair done, because my hairdresser and my friend has had a baby. I actually can't cope. She's had a little boy. I sent her some flowers and a card from me and Shane. And oh my god, I'm literally so excited. I have so much to update you on. It is crazy. So I know I've been a little bit quiet on YouTube. I feel like I've just been so overwhelmed, and this is the time to not be overwhelmed, be relaxed, and be relaxed in what I want and everything like that, because a lot's gone on basically, and I don't even know how to get into it because it's just like a new vlog and I don't want to get in too deep straight away. But yeah, it's been crazy, and the reason why I haven't picked up the vlog is because it's been that crazy. I don't know what to film, and I don't know what you guys want to see, and then it's also like, do I film more hauls? And then it's just, yeah, it's got a little bit complicated, but I just thought, do you know what, I'm going to pick up the vlog because I miss speaking to you guys, and I love like meeting up with my friends, and like why wouldn't I do the same with like my YouTube channel? Like I haven't seen you in like 2 weeks, and that's crazy because I usually upload every single week. I'm so consistent, and then all of a sudden I just stopped because it just got a bit overwhelming. But I wanted to sort of touch on that because it's all got to do with energy and how you feel. And I had a reading. I'm all into that stuff. I really like spiritual things, and of course I'm a masseuse, so I do like more holistic approaches to life. And I had this card reading, and it said, it's basically about my future, right? It was really good, it was really positive, but it did say I would sometimes let my feelings overrule what's going on in my life and just overthink. So basically, if you don't already know, I've started like this like little small business. It's only literally just started, and I'm only doing with family and friends, but even now I'm already comparing myself to others. What do I have it to compare to? I've literally done like a few family and friends, and yet I'm comparing to these big names. What am I doing? I'm already like changing my energy into an energy that I don't want. So I'm here with a new positive mindset now, and I'm here for growth, I'm here for change. Like there's no expectation for me to be amazing at the start. There's no expectation for me to have everything at the start. So why am I putting that pressure on myself? And then also you just get into little holes of feeling like you haven't got everything, and then you've got to manage your lifestyle and sort of like, oh, I've invested too much into it, and then now I'm slacking on other areas of how I normally live. Like, as you can tell and as you can see, I just got really overwhelmed with this whole ideology that I had going on in my head. So the reading was basically correct. Stop letting my feelings go wild, because I am definitely a feeling person. Like, it can just get so wild, and like being a feeling person is a good thing because I'm so invested in my ambitions and my goals, but at the same time it can be very the opposite of that when I'm going through negative emotions. So yeah, it's a really hard one when you're like that and like you're a bit in your feels. Do you know what I mean? So that's why I felt like my YouTube channel was definitely like a vibrational growth. Like we're all here to grow. Anyway, I've gone really deep into this, and it's meant to be the introduction. So this is meant to be like a little day in my life. I'm actually getting ready, like I said. I'm going to go meet one of my girlfriends. But I will update you with like what's going on and everything, and sort of like a catch up with me. Obviously, I want to see what you guys are up to. Let me know down below and what you kind of want to see from my channel going forward, because I've just been so like everywhere. But today's video is meant to be a positive, uplifting, come with me into town. I want to get out of the house. I'm going to go meet my friend Rosie. I want to go buy this really cute necklace that's got like a little card on it and it says abundance on it. It's really cute. And I want to go to Primark, aka for my business, because I need to get like a little travel suitcase so I can travel things more easily when I'm doing my little mobile clients. But all to come. But yeah, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm so happy to see you all again and I can't wait to get into it. I'm going to finish off getting ready and update you once I've gotten ready, show you the fit, and basically get going because I've got 15 minutes to leave the house. But yeah, thank you all so much for being here and I can't wait to get on into today's video and catch up with you guys and get back into consistent content. So I'm in the car, it's really sunny. Love this weather. I'm about to put on some perfume. This is a Jo Malone Mo & Tonka. One thing, if you didn't already know about Shane, oh, there's a bit of construction going on in the background. One thing, if you didn't already know about Shane, he actually rinsed his perfume. So I've got about half left of mine because I bought him the Wood Sage and Sea Salt tongue twister for Christmas, and he's only literally got like the tiniest amount left, and I started putting mine in my bag because it's actually nicking it, and I was like, Shane, you can't nick my perfume. It's Jo Malone. It's not like it's like 30, 40, 50 quid. It's like in the hundreds, do you know what I mean? Or just around. But yeah, I love this perfume, definitely recommend it. I'm gonna go see Rosie today. If you don't know who Rosie is, you can see it on my page, Glow by Fiona, and also go follow me on Facebook as well on my Glow by Fiona page. I really appreciate it because I feel like Facebook doesn't get as many likes on pages. But anyway, I'm on Instagram as well with my makeup business and soon to be massage, because I'm actually early, by the way. I'm not just chatting around in the car. Actually early. I was stressing before. I was like, oh my god, I've got 15 minutes to leave. But I'm actually early. It's getting really hot in here. I'm gonna go meet Rosie, so we're gonna meet up, have a coffee, meet outside that sort of necklace shop. I think we might go into H&M and Primark, or I'll drag her along with me. And then I don't know whether to like double it up and go to Home Sense today, because I really actually need to go to Home Sense, just have like a look around, because I can't not look around Home Sense. But we'll see how the day goes. It's lovely and sunny, and I will actually make a move now, because I've let her know I'm gonna leave now. But yes, lovely, lovely day. I'm excited. It's my day off.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop.
Okay, so a little update is due. I've just popped into Tesco. I have been out and around town with my friends Rosie and Annabelle. So Annabelle actually finished her shift while we were in town, so we had the most amazing smashed avocado at the Cat's Pajamas. Oh my god, it's so yummy. It's on like a sourdough bread. It's so nice. I just popped into Tesco to get a few bits, like I said, well, like I showed you the drink. I also popped into Superdrug with them and actually got some makeup bits for my makeup kit. And yeah, it's super hot, so getting a bit distracted. But I just picked up some like broccoli and cucumber and like healthy stuff, because me and Fiona are actually going on holiday. We need to still book somewhere. We're going in like, I can't remember if it was the start of June or the end of July. In between those. But yeah, it's going to be really exciting. So healthy, 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 while I'm trying getting as many vegetables as I can to my diet anyway. But yeah, it's really fun. But I'm going to pop on home now, unload the car, and yeah, can't wait to sit out in the garden when I'm home. But yeah, it's been such a lovely day so far, and I'm gonna go ahead and drive on home. So I am home now from the gorgeous day out. It's actually coming around to 4:30. Had a really, really nice day. So because I didn't really vlog much, I feel guilty for not getting so much content. But basically, me and Rosie met up at the jewellery shop where I wanted to get this necklace. They didn't have the one I wanted, so I'm going to have a look online for it. It's basically like a tarot card, and like it says abundance on it and stuff like that. It looked really cute, and Rosie had one and I really wanted to grab one as well. but they're basically not there, they're all sold out. But it's the cutest shop ever, so aesthetic in there, and they have like the cutest little Christmas bits around Christmas time. Like if you're a person into like all this stuff like spirituality, great place for gifts. After then we actually found out that Annabelle was going to be off her shift in town, so we went to this place called the Cat's Pajamas for smashed avocado on toast, and like I had this like chai latte with oat milk, so nice. And yeah, it was really nice. And then we went to Superdrug. I bought some bits. So I bought these bits basically for my makeup kit. None of it's for me, unfortunately, but I just needed to pick up a few bits for my kit. So I got micellar cleansing water just to cleanse the face, so if you've got any makeup on. I've got a Precise brow pencil in dark brown because I snatched mine out of my kit because mine ran out personally, so I'll just replace that one. Then I saw these Studio London lip liners. I got the shades in Self Love Nude and Superior Latte. Oh my god, look at those shades, stunning. I'm totally gonna have to try these out and then sharpen them just so they're hygienic for the kit. But yeah, oh my god, so happy with them. So I'm really excited to try them out. And then after I went into Primark, saw the suitcases because obviously I want to get it for my kit, but I don't know if they're the same or similar prices in B&M. I preferred the ones in B&M, but I can't remember if the B&M ones were a little bit more pricier. So I'm going to think it over with the suitcases. I feel like with Primark, I only really go in there for like accessories and stuff like that. I mean, I've been in there for like a few pyjamas and homeware bits, but I feel like Instagram makes me think that Primark is so good, and then I go into Primark and I'm like, the basics are nice, but I need to have a huge Primark haul to change my mind, I think. Let me know down below if you want a Primark haul. And then finally I went into Tesco for a little food shop, unpacked that when I got home, and I've got my sushi here. So plan was I was going to come home and like sit in the garden with my book and my sushi, because I could eat sushi all day, every day. So I do have questions about my diet actually, because this has still got fish in it. I am pescatarian, but I do mostly eat plant-based and try and just sway away from stuff that's more classed as like vegetarian, like you'd eat and have normal milk and butter and stuff like that. I try to sway away from those things, and just the only thing I really indulge in is fish. So yeah, that's my diet. So I absolutely love sushi. Oh my god, I'm so excited to dig into this. And then the only other thing that I wanted to share with you is my new water bottle. I love getting a new water bottle. I don't know about anyone else. Like, it's a ritual to get a new water bottle every now and then. So I saw this one. This was actually on offer, because usually the regular size water bottles are like £6 themselves. This one, double size, it was £6. So really happy with that. They had it in blue, yellow, I can't remember what the other shade was. I think it was like green. What was the other shade? But I preferred the blue, because obviously if there was like a pink or a white or something like that, I would have got that. It wasn't green. I don't know what it was. It was a blue, a yellow. I'm trying to remember it. Maybe it was a red. But I went for the blue. I'm really happy with my new water bowl. I actually need to, this reminds me to get back into my filtered water, because that's that, it just benefits you, doesn't it? And it filters out all the stuff. And like, yeah, I was thinking about getting some of this powder stuff that you're actually meant to put into water, so it gives you more minerals. But I mean, shouldn't the filter really do the same thing, like with the carbon? Is it the carbon that they put into water filter systems? But yeah, I'm sorry that hasn't been like a long vlog, but I still have a few little updates for you. So I've been also quiet because I told you guys that I went for a new job, and basically, here's the down low, it didn't really work out too well, but I'm so glad that everything does happen for a reason in normal, like, your own path circumstances, because the reason why I went there was to reignite my passion for my business, and why I'm so passionate about beauty, like lifestyle, massage, because I actually am like a really qualified, I'm really passionate about massage and healing therapy, and I'm very spiritual in that sense. So I'm really happy that I went there. So I can tell you now, it was a spa therapist position, and it was really nice, like all the people were lovely. But now from that I had the inspiration that I really need to put this first, my business and like Glow by Fiona first. So basically I'm leaving there and going to another job that is going to be more suitable for my hours and what hours that I want to do my business on. And yeah, it's another exciting adventure. Sorry for like messing you around with not telling you about the last thing, and I probably won't tell you about my new role as well. But basically it's just a really easy role that's going to help me with my hours, with what I want to do in like my real passions. So that's the download, that's the update. I'm really excited for a new chapter. It's going to be really nice, like easy working for this other job role I'm going to be doing, and then all my passions are going to be going into this. So I'm really happy and I'm really excited. I feel like there's definitely been a change in everything going on around me, especially with the new like moon coming out, which I've already passed. When you watch this video, it's a Taurus moon. It's all about like a big manifestation and a big change. So yeah, I think it was all meant to be. I will keep you in the loop more often now. But yeah, I'm basically just doing my reading, trying to work on me. There's a lot of things that just need to be developed in yourself, and action wise, like putting in the work with yourself to see the results. And there's no quick fixes. Like sometimes I can get so overwhelmed and compare myself to others when I've actually got a lot of journey to go. And so should everyone else. So never compare yourself to others. You're on your own journey, your own lane, and you'll get there eventually. And I love my girls because they always remind me of that. So thank you so much for spending the day with me. What I'm going to do now is literally just have my sushi, have a little chill, and basically go through all this kit that I have to sort out, because I actually have a little booking in this weekend, so I'm excited for that. And of course my new chapter is actually starting next week. Yeah, it's really all exciting. And let me know down below what you want to see from me. I've got a H&M order on the way for like summer, and of course, like I've mentioned, me and Shane want to book a holiday. We need to book it first. And yeah, just got some outfit inspo, and yeah, exciting things to come. And my first holiday vlog. Can you believe I haven't had a holiday vlog on my channel, like an abroad holiday vlog? It's crazy. So please smash this video a big thumbs up if you want to see that, and taking you guys along with us on holiday, showing you all the cool places that we're going to visit. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this day in the life vlog with me, and I appreciate you sticking around to hear all my updates, whatever they may be, and if they're affecting you in a positive way and motivating you towards your goals, then thank you for sticking around and listening. And I hope you're all well. I can't wait for videos up and coming. I need to be more consistent with you guys, and yeah, just like checking in with you is important for me to do that with you guys as well, because you've been on this journey with me. But I'm super excited to see you on my next one, and I love and appreciate you all so much. Have a lovely weekend, and I'll see you very soon. Bye bye.